at press conference. That was on Sunday in a year press conference.
Sunday.
Sunday no press conference about Abronye ni arrest.
Yes.
And the omuhunu say ade a mfaso bi ani so atata ne ade.
Yeah.
Nti they say mo say de ekoso no mani nye ho.
Onye nyina enye
mami ntio. De ntina mo kan sa.
Enye ye ne nye ho. Ghana fo nyina wo se oni kwa se obi ane je ho.
Oh sir.
Yes, because at 10 year way ayariga okate offenses Supreme Court for class women nyansa. Then they see if they were sensible. The videos are here. Obenya kwanya bobi am obi TV. And some ayaka unanimous 11 political judges. Ayebeba be stop for judges no NDC for munya ready. They ba mo so yadum be sem. And me be ne country judges okroma. No because all your political judge you me betra ha na me ka just all your political hoster. And no ya chimitum. Enti no ya ntwa de niye. Na no kura so ni nyame anim. Sa judge ya wo court 9 no. Sanya dia ye pese ye ka no kura. Ye be hu se bibi wo. There's something particularly wrong with that court. What does it? Yakochi obi April sunwane. Near the next mu 11 hours in handcuffs. Near the na court 9. Ewa. Yabechi obi atemaba. Yabechi no ajuso. Near the na traka mu ya tra tesano. Ya tra ye bro say. Atesi ya tra ifa. Near the na court 9. Ewa denta. Yakochi obi wo your friend is saying swedro. Me ya ma ha nkofu a wo mu abeti kutikutu yibi ya to petrol go kemu e de akofa no ne de na ba adenta e de ba de na wo adenta court na wa wo se ya de obi aba ho why asemi amodi Abronye koyi o mo ye prosecutors wo mu ni problem abibi o be hia na bia no mo fe na manaba judge se chenchene ano jesi ya de ne ko ekosi tama ya be determine case na wie who does that o man ayefa and obi a wadi awukura no right say be man bail 87.9 it obi a right to bail e si dan na unipa baako wo na wo ye judge wo own court na wo be ka say yan fa no kotum until the determination of the case and the case no yaba ni ya judgment na say 3 years kura ye ni asem ni ya na o de na tum ada na o de ne kwa osimija na obekwa obesi akwa kasa na wo kura de anka be boa wo jana no ko kasa na fa no kura top up case na fa kan asem bijana obekwa akwa senti no mumfa ne nkotum de na ko BNI na BNI wo so ye ba bia eno so wo se ho ne de nipa kotu first no kwa se yemfa ne konsa wam why de ba de na wo FM 87 ese wo wa ni wu ase na ho ato bia mpa ya wo bo ne se emme meku na free wi ase na ho ato pa ya bia judge ne bono no mpa ya ne mpa ya wo bono se owu a na asem asa medale ba ko da be chi o
for Kwesi Kyei
ate me sweetheart oh enti no yan fa ne nko ne yan kokuno ne wo a ne yan watoye ano na bia wo mu pe ante sa pa ka wa se jo ase mu kan kani ade be ne maye
no but should we continue to entertain some of
anu nti na sa ne ma we buy
there should be a change at a point
enti
anu nie sabre no nie
anu nie enti wo de me kwatuma na change aba
sabre ni because compare comment ni bia wo mu ye in opposition
obi che no
enti mebo enti no similar comment and ye entertaining is can we continue to have it that way some will say a fan
yeah some will say a fan just ye bie kwan no what I say ye bie kwan no say yetime di obi a onu wa be di judges atem obi a wadi di judges atem o me yetime di ni free yatime akofa ni free abotiaba aba be jano e wo Supreme Court wadi di judge atem a wo mu refi kura say ye judges ni nyina na odidi o matem o ba yetime aba be jano ete no no cho say mo bie kwan na mo bie kwan me kaka dintela no mo bie kwan ya maye hu se adidi atem kura ya normal what I say anu na mo bie me hu se normal ti obi atimi di atem na man fo so asha se di atem na bi se se man kofo keka ye na ka Ghana fo yi a ene boys ye sisu yo mu so sha se ka bia wu se ke betimi atra komwa a sha se no ye ka se ne ma we emwa
so that should be turning point. This is the point Ghana here
turning point ni se ne ma turning point eba se ne ma turning point eba abibia no ye kan bibi sa time no se ade na wo mo de ba no e de asem be ba obi amfi First of all, you can achieve and I mean some more be catch a judge for. So could I tell Broka? Here's some judge. She never will be a woman a candy to judge for so. Never will cafa judge for her. I don't know threatening say you could judges
now we are resetting.
And if you are resetting, is that the way to go? Oh, resetting. That's all better than why you should say any year. Obi aso obi akwa asem enya dia ye judge ne de judge ne no so aba waba ya mani pa waba court nipa kwa waba ya mani bail omu guso omu di asem no wasen aba no na report anopa no wasen aba o se chenche am mpre ma ne nko na ye mfa ne nko tu enti anu na wo reset is that the way to reset and no man sha say ye kan yo no man and that can be was smaller parts become big leopards and big leopards kill. And then money buy, you know, I cast a moonshine, moonshine year, and then my corner, it's oh, munyamasem, near dibiatem. And it will be a better expert. Say training a modema Ghana from Kodano. It will be also be an unknown kabi. It is a big kabi. Now, see last time they are you know, and tonight, not at this time they are kind. Why? I don't know this time will be kind of all of a sudden, I don't know, I done a criminal. Oh, it is a member of the case.